Indeed. So yesterday was really cool because the same thing that happened previous day happened yesterday. Well, 2 days ago happened yesterday. So it was a matter of I understood that, price came all the way back to this level. And at this point, my last higher low that was most relative was here, right? Based off of this bearish candle and then this bullish candle. And so I had this random line, this support line drawn, and I was like, this is the last higher low. So technically, if I see some engulfings, some 15-minute or 30-minute engulfings that form there, I think I'd be pretty cool with, just taking an entry straight without having to look for a break of resistance. And plus, to me, the break of resistance that we needed, it happened, I don't know, it happened over here. I think it's better seen on the 15-minute. Oh, so price is making lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. I consider this a lower high. And then we had this break. And then so this to me was a higher low. Like, look, we had these lows and then we had these higher lows. Like, so everything was pretty much saying that, I didn't have to wait for a break of resistance in this case, because if price were to continue bearish, then, I would want to leave the trade alone anyways. So for today, the last higher low that we have, I see, is right here. High lows maintain an uptrend. So we have this bearish candle, this bullish candle on the 4 hours. So I do expect price to continue bullish because of this, Again, we've just been tracking the higher lows the entire time, making sure that we're not breaking into a downtrend in the moment. Let's see, any potential entry we can talk about. So the last resistance level that I see that you could have taken advantage of is like, see how prices, okay, so we had high lows maintained, bearish bullish, support created, bearish bullish, support created, totally violated. And then we had this lower high area, came up, continued to maintain a bearish flow until we broke here, right? So it would be like in a moment like this, where you could probably take buys, but your stop would be like here if you want it to be like actually safe. But the 30-minute is, the lower time frame is maintaining bullish bias right now, as is the 4 hours. So unless this 15 or 30-minute actually breaks support and then starts making lower lows and lower highs, this would be a fine time to enter in. I'm not entering in because I already have 2 trades. I have like one from here because I definitely took that entry here, was too fire. And then I have one from this range, I believe. Let's see. Okay, so, and let's not forget the amount of news that we have today. Okay, so every time there's a day like this for GBP, where it's just like asset purchase facility, BOE, monetary policy report, MP, like all these stuff, the official bank rates, this is the day usually where we have really, really big moves. If not this day, then the day after. It's just something that I've noticed the past few years. Okay, so for gold now, my bias is still bullish. We're maintaining higher lows. You see that this level was kind of like created, and I won't say it's been violated just yet because, we haven't had a candle close. We got to wait 2 hours to see how this candle closes. And then even after that, to really determine if this area is tested or broken, we do have to wait another 4 hours to see how the following 4-hour candle plays out. But my bias is that it's still going to continue bullish. For right now, I just think it's forming like this because it's in this resistance level. So this could just be it creating resistance, but I do expect it to continue bullish still, mainly because we haven't had any closes underneath, right? And this would be like the target for the short-term time frame, which overall I'm trying to get up here. On UCAD, lower highs are still being maintained. Last lower high right here. For AU, it's been a little bit of a break, but it's more so like tested because we have bearish bullish. So it's still technically only tested. So we'll see about that. And for GU, hey, ain't nothing but up, baby. Yeah, we're still going bullish on GU. I'm not surprised about that. We broke this this official, you know, structure point. So it's no surprise that price is continuing bullish. I'll take this off because this is no longer relative to me. So this is the next target long term, right? But yeah, for GJ, I really am interested to see how price is going to react in this area because it's a monthly level. But again, as long as the 4-hour higher lows are being maintained, price should continue bullish.